So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. This video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get emoji on your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to get emojis and you use emojis a lot, so then this video is for you. So let's go ahead and get right into the video without any delays. So guys, to get emojis, you just need to go ahead and tap two buttons. So just press the function button and the E button at once. Now you'll see this options. Just go ahead and choose any emojis that you would like to add. As you can see, it has been added to the text. And guys, there you go. That's how you add emojis. I'll repeat the buttons once more to make sure you really get it. Function and the E. There you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.